Want richer, clearer, and more immersive audio on your Android phone? Enabling Dolby Atmos is one of the easiest ways to improve your listening experience for music, movies, games, and even voice calls. If your Android device supports Dolby Atmos, you can activate it in just a few taps. Follow the simple steps below to turn it on and choose the sound profile that best fits your needs. Unlock your Android phone and pull down the notification panel from the top of the screen. Tap the settings gear icon to open your device settings. Next, scroll through the settings menu and tap sounds and vibration. On some Android devices, this option may simply be called sound. From there, look for sound quality and effects and tap to open it. This section contains advanced audio settings available on supported devices. Now, locate the Dolby Atmos option. Tap the switch next to it to turn the feature on. Once enabled, your phone will immediately begin enhancing supported audio with improved clarity, surround sound effects, and better overall balance. For an even better experience, tap the Dolby Atmos text itself instead of the switch. This opens the available listening modes. You can choose auto if you want your phone to optimize the sound automatically. Select movie for a more cinematic surround sound experience, music for richer vocals and instruments, or voice to make spoken audio such as podcasts and phone calls sound clearer. After selecting your preferred mode, simply exit the settings app. Your changes are saved automatically, so there's no need to press a save button. You can always return to these settings later if you want to switch between modes depending on what you're listening to. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide helped you enjoy better sound on your Android. See you in the next tutorial. Take care.